Good morning students, welcome to the next session of math. In our last period, we learned about the large number in practice with measurement unit power. Let's say that first. Millicentideci unit, decahecto kilo unit. To convert the bigger unit to smaller unit, we will multiply by the conversion number, and to convert the smaller unit to bigger unit, we will divide by the conversion number. Today, I have an interesting task for you. Suppose your parents tell you to give them approximate amount for your birthday celebration, and the birthday is going to be there in next week. What all things we need for the birthday celebration? The first thing we need is number of people, then a yummy cake, birthday caps, balloons to decorate our hall, snacks, samosas, wafers, cold drink, and a return gift, of course. So now think, if your 20 friends will be coming for birthday party. Let's fix first the number. 20 friends will be there for the birthday celebration. Now generally when we go in a cake shop, we get the cake of 1 kg or half kg. But as there are 20 children, we will go for 2 kg cake, suppose. So the cake which we get in a shop for 1 kg, approximately we get for 700 to 800 rupees with a yummy flavor. Now this 2 kilogram cake we require 1500 approximately. Birthday caps 5 rupees each, 20 children, 20 into 5, 100, absolutely right. Balloons, 1 packet of 50 rupees, enough. Snacks, samosas. Now samosa generally costs rupees 10. We get 2 samosas for each. So 10 plus 10 is 20, and 20 into 20 children, that is 400. 400 for samosa, suppose 200 for wafers and 200 for cold drink. So it is 800, and a return gift of 500. So together we will add all the amounts, and then we will give the approximate amount to our parents that this much money may require for my birthday celebration. I'm not talking about the actual amount, children. I'm talking about the approximate amount. And this is called as estimated amount, approximate amount. So now today we will learn about the estimation. How to estimate a particular value. Let us first learn the estimation by rounding off to the nearest tens. Nearest tens means we will round off the tens digit. Here you can see the tens digit. But there is a rule to round it off, rounding off the figure, right? So there is a way to round it off. Here you can see a number line from 0 to 9. Generally it is 0 to, if we consider 0 and 10, the middle value is 5. The middle value is 5. So the rule is, if the ones digit is less than 5, listen to me very carefully. If the ones digit is less than 5, the tens digit is rounded off to the same digit. So here if you can see 6224, 4 is less than 5. So this number is rounded off to 6220, rounding off to nearest tens. Now if the ones digit is 5 or more than 5, I repeat, if the ones digit is 5 or more than 5, then we will round off the tens digit to its next digit. This is one example. The number is 517. 7 is more than 5. So we will round off this one to the next digit, that is 2. So here 517 is rounded off to 520. This is a rounding off to nearest tens. So we are rounding off this tens digit by considering ones digit. If ones digit is less than 5, we will round off to existing tens. And if the ones digit is more than 5 or 5, we will round this off to the next tens. Similarly, let us see the estimation to the nearest hundreds by rounding off. Here again you can see the number line. The numbers here are from now 0 to 90. Suppose we need to round off to nearest 100, we have to consider the hundreds digit. Now the middle value of this number line is 50. So if the tens and ones digits are less than 50, even till 49, we will round off the hundreds digit to the existing hundreds. I repeat, if the tens and ones digits are less than 50, even 49, we will round off the hundreds to the existing hundreds. And if it is 50 and more than 50, we will round off to next 100. I repeat, 0 to 49, we will round off to the existing 100, and 50 and above, we will round off 50 to 99, we will round off to next 100. So here are a few examples. First one is 6282. Now consider this tens and ones digit. The number is 82. 82 is greater than 50. So we will round off to next hundreds. That's the reason this 6282 is rounded off to 6300. In this example, 1012, the tens and ones digits are 1 and 2, that is 12. 12 is less than 50, and that's the reason we will round it off to existing 100, that is 1000. The 0 will remain as it is. While rounding off to the hundreds, there will be a change in hundreds digit. Always remember that. To round off to nearest tens, there will be a change in tens digit. Similarly, estimations to the nearest thousands. The same number line, but this time from 0 to 499, we will round off to the existing thousand. And from 500 to 999, we will round off to the next thousand. Here are the examples. First example is 62,449. 449 is less than 500. That's the reason 62,449 is rounded off to 62,000. There is no change in thousands digit. Whereas 43,770, where 770 is greater than 500, so it is rounded off to 44,000. There is a change in tens digit. I repeat, when we are rounding off to nearest 10, if the ones digit is less than 5, we will round it off to the existing tens. There is no change in tens digit. If it is more than 5 up to 9, then we will round it off to next tens, and there will be change in tens digit. Similarly, while rounding off to nearest 100, 0 to 49, we will round off to the existing 100, and 50 to 99, we will round off to the next 100. For rounding off to nearest thousands, 0 to 499, we will round off to the existing 1000, and 500 to 999, we will round off to the next thousands.